the table. I think I gave this already, during our regular semester. So, kasi regular yun. So, this is modified, and of course, this is the portion. Ito, include ko yung 0.032 skin. Area yan. Area, at saka area. So, ito, may area yan na 0.032. Ito, at saka this ilalim is 0.04. Okay? So, you will add this to your stringer. Okay? So, these are the area of the stringer, which is given. And of course, these are the distances Z, vertical, and X, horizontal. Okay? So, kaya negative lahat kasi nasa left side. Kaya yung positive at saka negative kasi nasa ibabaw at saka nasa ilalim. Okay? So, this is a modified. I think, navigate na ito last time. This was given. So, I just wanted to have a experience on how we will solve this now. And of course, this one, you have to expand this now, the tables. So, take note, kompleto na yan. Meron niya distances, at saka meron niya area. But of course, you have to include the skin area, okay, when computing. Okay. So, ito, hindi na include to. Okay, this is a enclosure, enclosure yan. Okay. This is for today. You have to work on this. Okay, then you will submit this for 11, then 59. Okay. Then for your report that will be submitted on the 19th. Okay, computation of bending stress at upwing span. So this is to be given today, but you will submit it on 19th. So as I've said, break muna tayo bukas. Okay. So we have a bending moment from your report. Modulus PCI, which is actually ginagamit sa iba is 7075 aluminum alloy. Okay. Unang gumamit niya, aeroplano 7075, pero ginagamit na sa baril ito. Sa metal ng baril. 7075 aluminum alloy. Kasi magaan to at saka strong. Ginagamit yan, no? It will absorb, Pag aluminum kasi, it will absorb heat. Kaya kayong tangke, di ba? Yung surface niya kung minsan aluminum. Kasi pag tama ng bala roon, namamatay yung init niya. Ina-absorb. Hindi siya pwede lumusot kasi ina-absorb siya. Pag tama niya, ina-absorb yung heat. Kaya hindi sila nabubulas. At saka yung dating bullet vest, yung bullet vest siya, aluminum plate, yun ang kasusunod ko. Pagsuot na ako dati, ang bigat. Ang bigat. Talagang paghabulan, diba? I-uberin ko talaga. Ang bigat. Ang bigat ng plate ba? Makapal aluminum plate, nakasuksok dito. Ngayon, manipis na Kevlar ka ngayon. Doon, aluminum plate. Talaga sabi ko, pagka nagkahabulan ubarin mo Okay, so you have the moment of inertia separate from your report. And of course, your vertical distances from your report also. So calculate the shear bending moment, shear bending stress. Bending stress yan at 20% of your half span and 50% of your half span for increment of 0.5 inch from the neutral axis to top and bottom surface. Plot the shear bending diagram. So ito kita nyo, bending stress yan. So susunod, alam niya, shear stress ang bibigay ko. So yun, sa next. So ganito yan, and we review di ba meron tayong formula na stress, shear stress over Z is equal to bending moment over moment of inertia. Okay? So this is the same as your Y over I. Ito, alam mo ito Ito yung kinumpit mo na sa bending moment dito. Diba? Meron kang bending moment na pinaka-maximum. Ito yan. Okay, so yan Then of course, yung moment of inertia mo, yan, cross-section. Now ito, kunyari, siya. Okay? Okay, kunyari ka. Okay? So, nakaganon yan. Natural, meron ka rito moment. Okay, pag moment niya rito, meron ka din moment rito. Dalawin mo na lang. Okay, huwag na natin compute ito kabila. Yun lang. So, may moment ka, alam mo yan, maximum yan, max. Then, of course, ito, kukunin mo yung neutral axis niya. Neutral axis. Okay? Then, these are the distance Z. So, from 0, siyempre 0 to. Kukunin ko yung mga yan hanggang sa top. Tapos ito. Kapag unsymmetrical ka, natural, ito, paligid. Okay? Pag symmetrical, parehas yan. Okay? Then afterwards, you will get now your stress. Stress equals to moment times A over I. But of course, we have now your moment over I over Z. Okay, this is your section modulus. Section modulus. Okay? So, ito ngayon, ito 0 to eh. So, pag ganun yung itsura niya. Okay? Kaya. So, yung natin dati meron yan. Okay. Pero dito lang tayo sa bib. Now, sa inyo, ginawa nyo ay, di ba? Lahat naman tayo ay bib. So, susundin mo ngayon. Yeah. Okay. So that will be your report. Okay. Bigay mo ngayon. Yung lecture natin report. Basa naman, di ba? So, ito yan. Right here. System dynamics of ganyan.
Dami ah.
Dito yan.
Final exam. Baka open.
Yan lang. Okay, di ba? So, ito yung lecture ko. Okay? So, dito, ganyan. Okay? So, bending. Okay? Yan. So, punta tayo sa formula. Kasi alam mo naman yan. Yan yung formula. Okay? This is your Z. E over R. So, dito, i-bending yung ano, baka gusto mong gamitin E over R. Pero wala kang radius, di ba? So, kailangan mo lang pagka kinuha mo yung radius of bend. Okay, so you have this, ito lang mi over e, or m over I is equals to bending shear bending over y. So, yun, dire-diretso na. Okay. Okay, yan. This is your equation. This is your section modulus of. Okay. But of course, here at your report, kasama yung ito lang yung basic equation nito. Tawag na rin ito is engineering equation. Bending equation or engineering equation. Ito lang ito. Okay. M over I is equals to shear over Z is equals to E over R. Okay. Pag nagkalimutan mo ito, sabi niya, nakalimutan mo yung formula, gawin mo ng dimensional analysis. Gamitan mo ng dimensional analysis. Okay, so balik tayo sa yan. Oh. start down. Kompleto na ito. Pwede na para...
Folder daw. O daw, meron pang folder dyan. Kompleto na po daw.